What's up YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman here, back to do another video. This time we're going to show you how to clean your boar bristle hair beard brush. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I am the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do hiking videos, gear reviews, tutorials, I do beard product reviews. So make sure to hit that thumbs up and make sure to check out my other content. Alright, so today we're going to clean our beard brush. Alright, so if you put in oil, you put in balm, and then you brush, it gets a little buildup. Now, I don't wash mine, I don't clean mine, but maybe every 2 months. At the most every 2 months. And the best way to start is just kind of look through it. I don't know if you can see, pick out any hairs that you can see, get them out, and then take your comb and go through and try to get a little bit of that excess, because when you're using your oil and then you're using your brush, you're going to get some buildup. And even if you don't apply product and you use your brush, you're going to still going to get hair. You're still going to get skin follicles in there. So it's good to clean it every so often. Like I said, I clean mine about every 2 months, usually no more than that. And so once you have all the best you can with your comb, then you go to the sink. So let me get the camera situated and we'll show you what to do next. Alright guys, so what we have here is just some warm, not hot, just some warm water. And what I will do is take in a little bit of shampoo, not much, and just get it kind of sudsing up a little bit. And I'll take my brush, get it in there, make sure I got the shampoo on it, add a touch more to the brush. Ooh, a little too much. You don't want to put that much on there. Kind of rub it in. Keep in mind, this is boar hair bristle. It is hair. So you do need to clean it every so often. Just scrub it in, lather it up, and then rinse it out. Soapy water out. Come back with some warm water. Run that warm water on it. Get all that shampoo out. Alright. Then give it a little towel dry. Alright, so once you have it towel dried, then want to come back in with your blow dryer. I go with medium heat and high fan. Just to get any excess water, and then I will store it laying like this on my bathroom counter at least overnight, just to make sure that if there's any water that it's going to run down and it's not going to soak into here. Now this isn't a very expensive brush, but I still want it to last. I don't want to use it and just it build up and be unusable. So I want to keep it clean and I want to take care of my stuff. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you clean your brush, if you don't clean your brush, or if you do something different to clean it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. And as always, from the Bearded Outdoorsman, have a good one and God bless.